وَكُلًّا نَّقُصُّ عَلَيْكَ مِنْ أَنبَاءِ الرُّسُلِ مَا نُثَبِّتُ بِهِ فُؤَادَكَ وَجَاءَكَ فِي هَٰذِهِ الْحَقُّ وَمَوْعِظَةٌ وَذِكْرَىٰ لِلْمُؤْمِنِينَ.
All Muslims, irrespective of their race, creed, or status, recite Quran and remember the stories of prophets to strengthen our heart and belief. We are now in end time. The Christian and the Jews are diverting us from the actual story of the prophets. May Allah protect us from the evil Dajjal.